this is Britt Caswell with another example video. In this video, I am covering Lesson 3-1, Example 1, from the SavvasRealize Algebra 1 textbook. In this video, we are looking at how to identify the domain and the range of a function. So here I have a table of values where I have the x and the y. Now understand that each of these represents an ordered pair. So like this first set is the ordered pair 1, 11. The second set is the ordered pair 2, 12, and so on and so forth. So understand when we're talking about the domain and range, we're talking about points that exist on a coordinate plane. Okay, they're points in space. And sometimes it's easier to list the points as a table because it saves room on a paper. Now when we talk about the domain of a function, the domain is all the possible inputs into that function. So it's all the x values that can be typed in. So on this table, my domain are the values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now when I go to describe this domain, I'm using what is often called set notation, where I'm using the curly brackets to describe a set. So the domain is the set of these values. Now, just like the domain is all the inputs, the range is all the outputs. So it's everything that can come out of the function. Well, here I have an 11, I have 12, and then I have 13 listed 3 times. So when I go to describe my range, I'm only going to put that 13 once. It only occurs. You know, that number can happen multiple times here in the table, but it doesn't happen multiple times in the set notation. Alright, let's try another one. So again, my domain is all my x values. So I'm going to describe the domain here in my curly bracket. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another thing worth noting is these numbers, when I write them in the interval notation, I always write it in numeric order. So from smallest to largest. Now my range for this function is all my y values. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, here's another one. So my domain, alright, I have -3, -1, 1, 3, 4. Now the range, see how they have it kind of out of order down here? When I go to write the range out in my set notation, ooh, that was a bad curly bracket, I'm going to change it to be in numeric order. So I'm going to put the -2 first, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 6. So when it's in this kind of set notation, it's hard to tell what number in the range matched with which number in the domain. So that's why that's another reason why they might want to keep it as a table. But there we go. That's identifying the domain and the range of a function. Until next time.